Good morning, scholars. Miss Pietraboni here with another video for today's ELT. This is just a reminder that your Algebra ELT, your Algebra CA2 will be next Thursday, December 14th. So we still have plenty of time to prepare. Now, we are starting to review operations with exponents. So the instructions say to simplify the exponents. So what we have to remember is when I'm dividing with exponents, I am actually subtracting the exponents. So 2 minus 1 is 1, so this becomes 3 to the first power, still all to the second power. Well, when I have parentheses and a power outside the parentheses, I'm multiplying the two powers. 1 times 2 is 2, so this becomes 3 to the second power. The answer key might stay this because they just want you to simplify the exponents. They don't want you to get rid of them. And then, of course, if you want it to be an all-star, you could go ahead and say 3 to the second power is 9, which it is. Number 2, we're multiplying and all of our terms have R. So when I'm multiplying and I have the same base, I need to multiply or add my exponents. So it becomes 2R to the, this has an exponent of 1 plus 2 is 3, plus 3 is 6, all to the third power. So now I have to do 2 to the third power, which is 8, and then R to the sixth power to the third power, I multiply my exponents and I get 18. Please try 3 and 4 on your own and then go over the answers with your class, please. Teacher, you may pause the tape. So 5 looks a little bit more difficult, but just remember, we're going to do what's inside the parentheses first and work our way out. So I have a coefficient of 1 and a coefficient of 6. 1 divided by 6, I'm just going to keep that 1 over 6. W divided by W to the 5th, remember, I subtract my exponents. So 1 minus 5 is W to the negative 4. And then for my D to the first, D to the second. 1 minus 2 is D to the negative 1. And this is all to the second power. So I know that in algebra, in math, we don't like negative exponents. Our answer is never simplified if we have negative exponents. So, to make the exponent positive, I'm just going to move this down to the denominator. So I have 1 over 6, W to the 4th, D to the 1st, and this is still all to the second power. Now all my exponents are positive, so I'm going to go ahead and distribute this 2. So 1 to the second power is still 1, over 6 to the second power is 36. W to the 4th to the second power is W to the 8th power, and then D to the first power to the second power is D to the second power. And then I'm all done. Okay, what I'd like you to do now is try 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 11. Number 12, people get tricked, but remember when I'm multiplying, I'm just adding the exponent. So this just becomes 1 over s to the 6, 7, 8th power. I could leave it like this, or I could write 1 over s to the 8th power, because 1 to the 8th power is 1, s to the 8th power is s to the 8th power. Okay, I'll be right back with a brief overview of your constructed practice for today. Your constructed or mixed practice is very similar to what you'll see on your constructed response section of the CA, so this really is getting you prepared. Keep up the good work.